guys, I'm back to help you to make the best feijoada and the easiest one you can find. First of all, you need to plan ahead for this recipe because you may find it difficult to find the meat. However, you can buy this kit that has all the meat that you need for this recipe. The link for this kit will be down below on the video description. So we will start putting our meat in a cold water for 30 minutes to help release part of the salt that has on it. After 30 minutes, rinse it. Meanwhile, get 3 cups of black beans, just wash it, put it back in a saucepan, cover it with cold water and let it boil for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, rinse your beans. Now have all your vegetables ready, dicing them. Also, you need 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. All the ingredients will be on the description of this video. Now in a pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, it will take 1 to 2 hours to cook your beans instead of 15 to 20 minutes in a pressure cooker. So in the pan of your preference, add half of the onion, half of the garlic and the bay leaves. Let it caramelize and then add all the meat. Next, add your beans, cover it with water and let your beans cook until it is soft. And do not add any salt to these beans at this point because remember, our meat is already salted. After 20 minutes in a pressure cooker, your beans should look like this, but it's not done yet. Let's go to our final step. In a saucepan, add a little bit of oil, add your vegetables, but cilantro and green onions. Let it cook for 1 minute or so and add the cooked beans. Since my saucepan was too small, I just cooked the vegetables and added it to the cooked beans. Now let your beans simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. On the next day, if you have leftovers, you'll notice that the broth of the beans are a little bit more thick. Just add more water. Now add some black pepper, cilantro and green onion and serve. There you have a simple and delicious feijoada. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you next time.